Hi little kids, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to learn you how to draw a beautiful aquarium. Here I'm drawing a beautiful pot. This is a glass pot. Then I will draw some fishes, some grasses and some stones in this aquarium. Let's follow my every steps and try to draw with me. This is very easy to draw an aquarium. I complete to draw the aquarium. And here I am drawing some beautiful coloring bulbs. Drawing is complete. Now it's time to color it. You can use any kinds of color as you like. I'm using here brush pen color to color this picture. So kids, now we can say this is very easy to draw a beautiful aquarium. So try it at home today. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with new videos for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.